Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3 Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable lane centering control on your XPeng vehicle. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to go over into the vehicle options. I am on the XPeng P7 Performance, and here what you guys can do is go over to driver assistance, go to driving, and here you have a lane centering control. So it will try and assist your vehicle by staying in the lane. And here you also have a little bit of a preview, so it will try and get the lane centering, so you're driving in the center of your lane. So you guys can disable it or enable it like that. As you guys can see, both of these settings are enabling, but you can disable one of them, and that's how you guys can do it. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.